And we're getting you breaking news, the latest updates on flight operations resuming tomorrow. The Maharashtra government has said it will allow 25 passenger flights to and from Mumbai starting tomorrow, and that number will be increased slowly. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has just told India Today, and that's why you're hearing it first here on this channel, 25 takeoffs and 25 landings from Mumbai starting tomorrow. Earlier, the Maharashtra government had said it is not keen on resuming flight operations just yet, but they've made a compromise. So 25 flights each day will land as well as take off from Mumbai to different destinations. India Today, Sahil Joshi live with us, an exclusive from Mumbai. Sahil, 25 flights. Take us through the details.
You know, the Maharashtra government finally spoke with the center, the aviation department, the airport authorities, and finally have come to the conclusion that if the flight load is not much, then flight operations may resume. Obviously, it's 11th hour. The state still have grudges against the central government for deciding it unilaterally, but finally, because the tickets have been already sold, so to end this confusion, finally the Maharashtra government, the whole day, the state government as well as the central government, people were discussing the various SOPs, how to handle these flight operations, and finally they have decided, as per Nawab Malik, the senior cabinet minister in Maharashtra government, that 25 flights will be allowed to arrive in Mumbai as well as 25 flights will be allowed to depart from Mumbai. At the same time, now the state government is deciding the SOPs because Mumbai is in a red zone. So obviously they will have to decide about those who want to reach to the airport. So, a special notification will be issued in a while, in which the guidelines, the standard operating procedure for the people who will be going to the airport,
Yes,
the airport staff, as well as for the passengers will be issued now. It's likely that even some special BEST services will also be allowed to operate out of the airport because the local trains are still closed. So obviously the BST services will need to be operational. Private vehicles might be allowed, but these details will be given in some time.
Yeah.
But right now what we are hearing is that finally the 25 flights have been allowed to land as well as to depart from Mumbai.
Are there any details about which sectors these flights will be on, Sahil, or is that yet to be decided?
No, I think it is already decided, but I do not have details at this point of time because it's been just decided a while back. I was told by the government that there were series of talks to end this particular logjam with respect to the decision of Mumbai airport to be allowed to operate or not. So finally, because the tickets have been sold and they do not want that this confusion for the people who have already booked the ticket. So finally, this decision has been taken. Now the final details about the rest of the operations will be issued in a while at this point of time.
Okay, very interesting. We've got the big breaking story. As always, you've heard it first here on India Today. 25 landings and 25 takeoffs from Mumbai starting tomorrow until that number is gradually increased depending on how things go. The Maharashtra government was hesitant. It was reluctant to resume flight operations tomorrow. The actual number would have been much higher than 25 takeoffs and landings, but they've agreed on 25 takeoffs and landings, at least to begin with. Like Sahil said, the destinations of these flights from Mumbai is not known just yet, but those will become available in the next few minutes, or at least in the next 1 hour. Sahil, also, how was this compromise arrived at? You know, we know that the Uddhav Thackeray government was quite hesitant about resuming flights. There were many valid reasons for that as well. The hotspots, the red zones, airport workers traveling to the airport at this point of time. How has all of this been worked out?
See, there were two specific issues with respect to the flight operations to begin. The first one, of course, was that the state government had said that yes, they are on board to start these services because someday we have to end this lockdown and slowly the services needs to be started. But what they were saying that it should start in a phase-wise manner rather than directly deciding unilaterally that a particular date on which the flight operations will begin. So the state government wanted some time to regularize certain SOPs, to decide on certain SOPs, specifically because Mumbai and cities like Pune are in the red zone. The second thing which they wanted to know about from where the staff of MIAL, the Mumbai International Airport Authority, will be coming in. If they are coming in from containment zone, then that will not be allowed, because there are no traffic is allowed in the containment zone. Whereas in the red zone, some traffic is allowed, but the public transport is not available. So, of course, the local administration will have to make available the public transport, specifically the BST buses.
Sahil,
so even that.
Sahil, just stay with me. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik, who had spoken to you a short while ago, is also with us on the phone line now. Mr. Malik, you've just announced that 25 takeoffs and landings, will take place tomorrow. Can you explain to us, sir, how this number has been arrived at by the Maharashtra government?
The Chief Secretary of Maharashtra has been discussed with the Airport Authority, Aviation Department, and they have made a plan. It is discussed and decided that 25 flights will be take off from the Mumbai city and 25 will be landed. An entire mechanism has been discussed, and in short time, the entire detail will be published and issued. The order will be issued by him.
Yes. Is there any information you can share with us about the sectors, sir, or is that still yet to be decided? Because there are many people who are very keen to know, especially in your city, in Mumbai, about which cities these flights will be flying to, these 25 flights, sir.
The airlines had been booked, and it is them to decide which flight will be operational from the Mumbai to which city. Now, all booking activities has been done by that airline companies, and airport authority has to decide which flight out of that 20 flights will be landing in the Mumbai city and 25 will be departing from the Mumbai city, but gradually it will be increased.
Can you tell me how was this number arrived at finally, sir? The Maharashtra government earlier was quite hesitant to resume flight operations in a big way. How did you finally agree on this number of 25 flights,
Chief Secretary, he has given the information that from tomorrow 25 flights will be operational for takeoff and 25 for landing. How it was decided, it is between the official meeting, and they had decided it.
There were many grievances, and there was some nervousness regarding preparations that will be required given the large number of COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra, sir. Have those anxieties been dealt with and addressed, especially since there are so many hotspots in Mumbai?
See, I have to clarify that preparation by the Airport Authority of India was not there. They were not prepared. How the ground staff will come, how it will work, how they will go to their home, how they will bring to the airport. This all exercise has not been done, though decision has been not there. So today everything happened, and it is decided that 25 flights will be landing and 25 flights will take off from the Mumbai city, and rest of the airport, it will be decided later on.
Do you think these last minute decisions might cause some problems and inconvenience to passengers? So I know it's a very difficult time for everyone, including governments like yours and at the center in these decisions. But do you think that people are going to be inconvenienced this week in Mumbai?
I don't think people had booked the ticket. They know by which flight they have to go, and timing also they have no. But it is now to decide airlines that which flight is going from the Mumbai city and which is landing.
Yes.
And still there is time. The decision has been taken at, I think, 5 o'clock in the evening.
Are you confident, Mr. Malik, last question, are you confident that, for now it's 25 takeoffs and landings, are you confident that very soon you will be able to scale up this number?
Definitely, CS has given the information to me, and he said the number of flights will be increased slowly, gradually. They will increase the number.
Nawab Malik, thank you very much for speaking to India Today. Nawab Malik, Maharashtra Minister, on record here on India Today. 25 landings and takeoffs from the city of Mumbai. That number will be increased, and that there will be no inconvenience to Mumbai passengers. More information, as always, first here on India.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.